Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to remove your Apple ID from an iPhone running iOS 26, maybe you are selling your phone, switching accounts, or just starting fresh, this video will show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Before starting the video, first make sure that you know the Apple ID password. You have backup to your important data if needed, photos, contacts, etc. You are connected to the internet. This step wouldn't work offline. To remove Apple ID from iPhone settings, open the Settings app, tap on your Apple ID name at the top, scroll all the way down and tap on Sign Out. You will now see a screen like this. Erase this iPhone after signing out. This screen gives you two choices and here's what they mean. Option 1. Erase this iPhone. It will sign out of your iCloud, remove your Apple ID, erase all content and settings like a factory reset. Option 2. Sign out but don't erase. It will sign out of iCloud. Keep your app settings and data on the device. Choose the option that fits your situation. After that, tap on Continue. Here you will see a new page. Unsynced data from notes will be permanently removed. This means some of your notes have not been backed up to iCloud and will be deleted when you sign out. Here's what to do. If you are not sure, tap Cancel, open the Notes app, and manually copy or back up anything important. If you are okay losing unsynced notes, tap Continue anyway. After that, tap on Continue. Tap on Continue and sign out. And that's it. Your Apple ID is now removed from this iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and iPhone tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.